Problem 7-80. It says, consider the triangle at right, solve for x in the diagram. What is the area of the triangle? So I wrote it down on another paper. So first of all, we have to solve for x. So it's not a right triangle, so I can't use any SOHCAHTOAs. I can use law of sines or law of cosines. I prefer to use law of sines whenever possible. So in order to use law of sines, I need these pairs. Like I need an angle with the side across from the angle. And I know that I don't have this angle, but I can get it very easily. So how am I going to get this angle right here? I'm going to go 180 minus 33 minus 64. Okay, that's because the three angles of the triangle have to add up to 180. So I'm going to use law of sines, but I need angle pairs. So now I'm going to say this side, and I can call it, let's name it something. That's better. Okay, so I'm going to say sine of A. The sine of A, well, it's 33. So the sine of 33 is to the side length of A. That's what little a stands for. As, there's my equal sign. And then I'm going to say sine of B. So the A and the B, that's where the angle measure goes in. So sine of B, well, what is B? It's 83. These are angle measures. I'll put degrees on them. And then I want the side across. So this is the angle pair. Okay, I couldn't use this angle because I'm not interested in that side and I don't know what that side is anyway. So say x. Okay, and then all I have to do is just solve for x. Because all these three numbers right here are just numbers, they're little decimals that my calculator can calculate. So I just need to get the x by itself. So I like to use cross products. Cross products is when you have two fractions and they're equal to each other. You can say 3.5 times sine of 83 is equal to sine of 33 times x. I'll put an x in front. So it's just saying this times this equals this times this. And then I can solve for x by dividing both sides by sine of 33. So x is equal to whatever this mess looks like when I get it into my calculator. So I'll just get my calculator, and I'll just go 3.5 times sine of 83. And then I'm going to divide that by sine of 33. And I got 6.378. So I'm going to say it's 6.38. So I solved for x. And these should be approximate. And then what else am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to find the area. So area is 1/2 times base times height. That's just something I've memorized. That's the formula for area. So I'll just fill in some numbers. So the base can be just this x right here. But I know what x is right now. It's 6.38. I don't know what this height is though. I need this height. I'm going to draw it as like a dotted line. Hopefully that's pretty clear. Okay. So what I can do with that is I can use a SOHCAHTOA again. So I'll just use this little triangle over here. I'm going to say sine of 64 equals opposite, which is my height, over hypotenuse. Because remember the SOHCAHTOA's sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Because it's a height, it's automatically a 90-degree angle. You know, it's an altitude. So, and then if I want to solve for h, I can multiply both sides by 3.5. And so that gives me 3.5 times sine of 60. And that gives me 3.14. See, I thought that was the answer, but then I remembered that I have to put it in. This is my formula. So I've already got that in my calculator. So I'll just times it by 6.8 times 0.5 for a half. And I got that the area is 10.035. So I could say 10. And then I'll make these the wavy lines. And that's it.